New photos, new confirmations, and a price increase that might actually be real this time. Here's everything just confirmed about the iPhone 18 Pro Max and the iPhone Fold. Leaked screen protectors for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max show a noticeably narrower cutout than current models, confirming earlier reports. Height stays the same, width shrinks meaningfully, freeing up usable screen space. Apple's new Siri visualization, a circular orb rather than the longer animated bar, strongly suggests the software is being designed specifically around this smaller dynamic island. Recent leaked photos claiming to show the color lineup turned out to be AI-generated, not genuine leaks. But the colors themselves, dark cherry, a lighter sky blue, and the return of proper black Pro model will make a lot of people happy. According to leaker Ice Universe, the Pro Max is staying at roughly 8.7 millimeters thick, essentially identical to its predecessor, no further thinning this generation. That's likely the right call. If that internal space goes toward a bigger battery and better cameras instead of half a millimeter of thinness, that's the correct trade-off for most users. Digital Station Chat reports the eSIM-only Pro Max could land between 5,100 and 5,200 milliamp hours. Combined with A20 Pro chip efficiency, Apple's in-house modem, and software optimization, real-world battery life improvements should be noticeable beyond the raw number. Multiple reports point to a variable aperture system on the main camera, the lens physically adjusting to lighting conditions for better low-light performance and sharper control in bright environments. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo adds weight to this, reporting the new camera hardware will cost Apple roughly 50% more than the current system. That level of cost increase suggests Apple considers this a major flagship feature, not a routine annual update. Here's the part worth watching closely. Rising memory costs and expensive camera components are fueling real concern about a price increase on Pro models. Tim Cook has acknowledged industry-wide memory cost pressures. Mark Gurman has warned increases may come sooner than expected. The Wall Street Journal has even suggested the iPhone 18 Pro could start as high as $1,399. Still speculation at this stage, but worth tracking as launch approaches. Apple is reportedly splitting its 2026 lineup, Pro models and the Fold launching in September, while the standard iPhone 18 and Air 2 follow in early 2027, a deliberate shift to let premium devices launch without competing against budget-friendly models for attention. More screen space, better cameras, longer battery life, and a faster, more efficient chip. A strong upgrade on paper, though the familiar overall design means iPhone 17 owners likely won't feel rushed to switch. For anyone on an older iPhone or considering their first one, this lineup is shaping up to be genuinely compelling. Which model are you most interested in? Drop it in the comments and subscribe. More leaks are coming as we approach September.